Hi and welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss any future episodes of this Rx7 project. Right, what we're going to do today is weld the holes up in the boot lid with a spoiler sat. Once we've done that, we're going to sand and prime the whole car ready for paint. Right, let's get to it. That's the door done, sanded down, ready for the next bit. Right, that's all the sanding done. All I need to do now is get the anti-stone chip off the bottom of the door with the heat gun and the sander. Right, now this is all burnt off, this is all the remnants, I'm just going to give it a sand down with the DA and see if we can smooth all this line out here. All the anti-stone chip has been sanded off and smooth, so we've no lines, because there's a big line across here like that one there. Well, that doesn't matter because the side skirts are going to go there. As you can see down the panel, most of it's bare metal. Just needs a little bit of a final sand and then we'll put primer on it. And then these don't need doing because the side skirts will go here. I'll probably need to get rid of this back bit here. And then we're ready to good to go. Right, this is how it looks now. All the anti-stone chips off there and all sanded down. I just need to do the one on the other side, and then after that I need to weld these holes up ready for the spoiler on the back. A little bit of rust on bits of these, and then once I've done that I can primer the car. We're all good to go. Right, so the next job is to weld all these holes up where the original spoiler sat. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because what I'm going to do is put a lick spoiler along the side which goes under the lights. Right, that's it for today's episode. Please tune in next time where I'll be flattening the primer down and prepping the paint ready for primer. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. That's it for today.